सभी को सुप्रभात। पैटर्न्स क्लास 2 मैथ्स केवी पिथौरागढ़. So we will interconnect this concept pattern from the English subject Haldi's Adventure. You can see this giraffe. The giraffe's body has some spots, so students can observe them. There also this body you can observe some spots which is following some particular repetition of designs, which is also pattern. Now we'll start a discussion about Appen patterns. So these are Appen patterns. So they are made on festivals. So students of Uttarakhand are aware of this. This is the local art where you use patterns, designs, beautiful designs like mehendi, rangoli. Okay, so students are very well aware and will take interest. After that we can focus on some tiles. So these are also using some designs, patterns, repetition. Like this gate also we can see. So we'll show these series to students. First of all we see 2, 4, 6. So what should come next? So it should be 7, because in counting there should be 7 after 6. So here we see 2, not 3. Is it 4? 2, 4, 6. Okay, so 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So there should be 8, not 7. So here we see plus 2 following a pattern, a kind of repetition. Next, triangle, circle. So blue triangle and green circle. So next should be blue triangle, green circle. So there will be our pattern complete. Okay, so here we see 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 6, and 6 plus 2 8. So this is following the table of 2, and next these are shapes. Okay, so here we see a kind of repetition of same type of designs or numbers. Okay, so plus 2 4, plus 2 6, plus 2 8. Triangle, circle, blue triangle and green circle. Okay, so these repetitions are called patterns. So repeated designs that occur in sequence are called patterns. To student to clap hands. So here we see 1 1 1. So students will assume to clap one time. After that 1 1 2 1 2 3. So students can assume to clap 4 times. 1 2 3 4. After that 5 times. And next we will give 1 1 2 3. After that 1 2 3 4 5. So they can assume to clap 1 plus 2 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7. So they will assume that next number should be 7. So they will clap 7 times. We will start a story. We will start framing a story, or tell students to frame a story or extend it or reframe it. Okay, so we will give them a situation like we are going to meet any relative or family member. So what kind of pattern we can see all the way? So we can say like around the roadside we can see these grass beds in a pattern way. Okay, so after that these bricks designs on roadside. Okay, so after that students can also answer like we can see so many trees along the roadside, and we can see so many cars in the parking way in a certain pattern or design line there. So next we can give them a situation like we have arrived to that particular relative. So we can see the grills. Okay, so here also these are grills following some patterns, beautiful patterns you can see. After that we can enter the home and we can see curtain designs patterns also, and the relatives are wearing sari, so sari patterns. So and what patterns can you find? You can say students, what other kind of patterns we can find. So they can say the tiles we have discussed earlier, and the apron patterns if they can see, and the door patterns. Like this way students can answer according to their knowledge, understanding, and their observing power. Okay, so they can see whatever they want to share. Okay, after this activity we'll tell students one by one to show or tell any patterns around them one by one, and they can also draw them in their notebooks, or they can turn off their audio video and show during the live class. Like they can show their houses grills. Okay, they can show curtains or clothes they are wearing, in which patterns follow, and any kind of pattern, a tablecloth pattern. Okay, and walls tiles patterns they can show. They can also make arrangements of patterns, like they can arrange some leaves in patterns. They can arrange a cup, a plate, a cup, a plate, a cup, a plate, a cushion, a bed sheet. So they can also see patterns in them. This activity will give them enjoyment because they are easily find patterns and they are showing one by one. So they will be very active and enthusiastic during this activity, and find the patterns on the chair they are sitting, and on the tablecloths, anything they can see. We will start an activity. So we will start number worksheet. We will start number patterns. So let us look at some number patterns. Fill the number in the blank space of each pattern. Okay, so here we can see 1 3 5 7. Okay, so students can see 1 plus 2 3 plus 2 5 and plus 2 7. So this type series going on. So here we can assume like 1 3 plus 2 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9. So student will write here 9. After that 20 30 40 50 60 70. So this is they can assume the table of 10. 20 plus 10 30 plus 10 40 plus 10 50 plus 10 60 plus 10 70. So next should be plus 10 80. Okay, 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 plus 10 plus 10. After that 24 27 30 33 36. So arrows are given up down up down. 24 27. So how many? Plus 3. 27 30 plus 3. So you can assume 30 33 plus 3 36 plus 3. How many? 39. Okay, so in this way students can do this activity. After that T2 frog jumps over two numbers and reaches the third number. There will T2 go next, make a ring on the third numbers. Okay, on the other numbers. So here we can see the T2 frog where he will go next. Okay, so he is jumping 2 3. So we can circle circle is given on 3, then 6. So we have to find out when he will jump on what number he will jump on. So first of all, from where he has come from 3, we'll ask to students. So he is jumping over 2 numbers. Okay, so 0 को से आया होगा, वो 1 and 2 को उसने छोड़ा है, देन वो 3rd नंबर पे 3 पर है. ठीक है, so students can assume that he is not coming over, he is coming from 0. Leaving 1 and 2 number, he is jumping over 3, and 4 and 5 he is jumping over 6. After that, leaving 7, 8, he will jump over 9. After that, over 12. After that, over 15, then 18. So we'll ask students what table is this. So they will tell this is the table of 3, because 3 plus 3 plus 3 is being added. 3 plus 3 6, plus 3 9, plus 3 12, plus 3 15, plus 3 18, 21, 24. Okay, after that, T2 jumps and gets on every 10 stone. Write the numbers on the stones. Okay, so we have to find out. This is a tricky question. So students have to plus and subtraction, both adding and subtraction. Here we see second stone 28 number is written. Then on the third stone 38 is written. Okay, and plus 10 we have to add. So we will have to first find out what is the first stone. So if we can assume if we add plus 10 in the first one, we find 28. So first stone should be minus, should be subtract. Students will discover this fact. They will subtract. They will subtract 10 from 28. So the answer first one would be 18. Okay, and 18 plus 10 28. This is right, because at 18 28 also written here. Plus 10 38, plus 10 48, plus 10 58, plus 10 68, plus 10 78. Okay, so in this way student find the answers. Tell the students the leafy patterns. So we'll tell the students to collect some leaves and make some different patterns like this. So students can make some arrange some leaves and collect some leaves and arrange them some patterns like up down. First one you can see up down up down. So this is making some sense, some pattern. Then this is up down up down. So next should be up down. So here we can see upward and right side, upward and right side. So they can assume the next. So here are more patterns. They can use leaves, matchsticks, or anything they want to, or the things available around their environment. And we can tell students to arrange these patterns or show these patterns, and making a short video while showing these patterns around them, like bed sheets, curtains, clothes, etc., and the patterns in nature, like any fruit. Okay, so there may be leaves. If we observe a leaf, so in a particular leaf there is also a pattern. So this is a pattern from the nature. So that is not man-made. A particular leaf, and the butterflies, the animals also have some natural patterns. Okay, so students will observe, they will make some sense, they will observe everything in pattern way.